My hair looks awful.
No, you look pretty. Smile for everybody in MySpace land. Yay. It's on video.
Oh my god.
Now, CJ, on the other hand, he looks kind of hideous. But us fat bitches are gonna go get blizzards now.
Hey.
Dance. You're so retarded. We're so dumb. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club is looking at her. She hit the flow. Next thing you know, kid, I got low, 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 low. Baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the strap. CJ turned around and gave that big booty a smack. He hit the flow.